Adaptation, in both natural and social contexts, is a phenomenon that requires an interdisciplinary approach to fully understand. At its core, adaptation refers to how organisms or systems adjust to environmental changes, a process that involves biology, ecology, anthropology, sociology, and psychology. Scientists studying adaptation must integrate these diverse perspectives to form a more complete picture of how species, including humans, develop the mechanisms necessary for survival. Philosophically, this interdisciplinary integration presents several challenges. How do different disciplines define adaptation? Does merging knowledge from various fields lead to more robust scientific understanding? Or does it create contradictions that complicate the formation of coherent explanations? In biology, adaptation is often framed within Darwinian evolution. Traits that increase an organism's fitness are favored through natural selection. But in behavioral ecology, adaptation includes not just physical traits, but strategies for survival and reproduction, such as cooperative breeding. Meanwhile, in anthropology, adaptation refers to social and cultural mechanisms, like traditional ecological knowledge, which enables communities to sustainably manage resources. These differences highlight an important question. Can knowledge from such varied fields be unified? Historically, some philosophers like Otto Neurath argued for a unified science, believing all knowledge could be reduced to a single framework. However, more recent views support epistemic pluralism, the idea that different disciplines offer unique insights that shouldn't be forced into one mold. One of the key challenges in interdisciplinary research is theoretical integration. How to combine different fields' insights without reducing the complexity of the phenomena they study. For example, when researchers explore species that use both physiological and social strategies to survive, like desert animals that conserve water and cooperate for food, they must integrate biological and social data. Philosophically, this tension is between reductionism, the idea that complex phenomena can be explained by their simplest parts, and holism, which argues that systems must be understood as a whole, considering the relationships and interactions between components. Interdisciplinary research on adaptation offers many benefits, particularly when applied to pressing global issues like climate change. Studying how species and ecosystems respond to changing climates requires insights from ecology, meteorology, sociology, and anthropology. For instance, examining human impacts on ecosystems alongside how species adapt to shifting environments helps scientists form a more complete understanding of climate adaptation. Yet, interdisciplinary approaches also introduce methodological challenges. Different fields often have distinct methods of collecting and interpreting data. Biologists might focus on quantitative experiments, while anthropologists rely on qualitative fieldwork. Navigating these differences is critical in interdisciplinary work to ensure coherence and accuracy. Ultimately, the study of adaptation illustrates the necessity of integrating knowledge from multiple scientific domains. It challenges traditional philosophical boundaries between the natural and social sciences, encouraging an approach that respects the complexity of both biological and cultural evolution. As global challenges like climate change intensify, interdisciplinary science will become even more crucial in addressing the complex adaptive responses of both human societies and ecosystems. The role of philosophy in this process is vital, offering frameworks to navigate the epistemological and methodological issues that arise. Epistemic pluralism, which accepts that different kinds of knowledge are essential for understanding multifaceted problems, provides a pathway forward for interdisciplinary adaptation studies. The continued collaboration between biologists, ecologists, social scientists, and philosophers promises to deepen our understanding of adaptation, with important implications for both science and society.